Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You are the poem I never knew how to write, and this life is the story I've always wanted to tell. When I saw you, I fell in love, and you smiled because you knew. I would find you in any lifetime. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. In your smile, I see something more beautiful than stars. I didn't choose you, my heart did. You are the reason I believe in love. Some souls just understand each other upon meeting. If I know what love is, it is because of you. I never want to stop making memories with you. You are the reason I believe in love. Some souls just understand each other upon meeting. If I know what love is, it is because of you. I never want to stop making memories with you. Your voice is my favorite sound. Your name is my favorite word. Your hug is my favorite place. When I'm with you, hours feel like seconds. When we're apart, days feel like years. Meeting you was fate, becoming your friend was a choice, but falling in love with you was beyond my control. You're the peace I crave in a world full of chaos. To the world, you may be one person, but to me, you are the world. Your love is a melody that my heart will never forget. You're not just my love, you're my heart's home. Even after all this time, you still give me butterflies. I wish I could turn back the clock. I'd find you sooner and love you longer. You're the missing piece to my puzzle. Loving you was like breathing, I just couldn't stop. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. One day, someone will walk into your life and make you see why it never worked out with anyone else. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other.